Hi campers, this is Darren with My RV Works, and today we have an RV tech tip. And what we're going to be showing you is how to test your water heater on electric. Okay, we need to verify that the heating element is in fact working. And on a suburban water heater, it's a little bit easier to do it because the electrode, the heating element, is on the front side on a suburban water heater. But on an Atwood water heater, it's on the back, and sometimes that's kind of difficult to get to. But even if you could get to the heating element, you still need to verify that it's working. Typically what we would do is we would take the wires off and do an ohms reading, and you're expecting to get around, I think it's 10 ohms, I believe. Don't make me a liar, but I believe you're supposed to use Ohms Law on that. But we're going to show you a trick using a clamp-on amp meter. Okay, so by using that meter right there, we're going to show you how to test the AC heating element from the service panel. So in this coach in the bathroom, you have this switch. Here's the flame for LP, for the gas side. We've verified that works. Here's one for the electric. But how do we know that by flipping this on, my water's going to get hot unless we want to turn it on and wait an hour and let it get warm up? Well, on this RV, we can get to the back of the water heater. Let me show you what we're going to deal with on the back of the water heater, and then I'll show you my trick. Here we have the back of the Atwood water heater, and you see this yellow Romex wire that's going into this case. And like I say, sometimes these are hard to get to, and you have to take the screws off the back. And then in here, you're going to find a relay, and you'll find the back of the electric heating element. And you take your screws off, you do Ohm's Law. That's crazy. We're not doing that. We're going to show you a better way. So we're going to go over to the service entrance, and using that clamp meter, we're going to show you how to do this trick. So to do this trick, what you're going to do is you're going to find your service entrance here, and I've already taken the cover off, and we see that this one is circuit 5 water heater. The water heater will always be its own circuit. It's not going to be shared with an air conditioner or a microwave. It's going to be its own. So 5 puts me right here. So I'm going to go down here. Now this is hot, so don't electrocute yourself, but we're going to find the wire that's connected to 5, and then, where's our clamp meter? We're going to take our clamp meter, and let me get set up with 2 hands. We're going to clamp around that wire. So that's what we're going to do next. So inside of every RVer's tool bag, I would love if you had a meter that did AC and DC voltage and AC and DC amperage. This one does, I don't know, what is this thing, a Fluke 325? You don't have to get a Fluke. These are high-end meters. I like them because of their speed and accuracy. But Klein makes them, you get them at Harbor Freight. But anyway, what you want, the goal is you want a meter that's going to be a clamp-on meter that's going to read AC and DC. So right now, I'm on the AC amp side, AC amps. Right now, my water heater, let me be very specific on how I'm explaining this. This wire, there is 0 amps flowing through that wire. Okay? Now, we've determined that that wire is the one that goes from a water heater. All right, fire in the hole! Okay, we just had the switch turned on the water heater, and look, we're seeing that it's consuming 11.22 amps. Okay, so now what we have flowing through that wire is 11.2 amps, and that is the one that goes to the water heater. So if there is current flow through that wire, therefore I have a good heating element in my water heater, and I do not have to go to the back of the water heater and pull the thing off and do Ohm's Law and all this kind of stuff. I just need this meter, take the cover off, find the wire, put my clamp on it, turn the switch on, and as long as I have, we're looking for 10, 11 amps on your typical water heater, and that's what it's consuming. And so there you go. So that is a really quick tech tip. Ugh, getting tongue-tied. I'm thinking Dr. Seuss here with a quick trick chick stack and a quick trick clock stack. So there's your quick trick. There we go. And on how to test, so I don't need to take the back of the water heater apart. I don't have to do any of that kind of stuff. I just need to gain access, find my wire, clamp around it, and flip it on. Okay, turn it off. And now we've just turned the water heater off, and we see our voltage goes to 0. I'm sorry, I said voltage. I mean amperage, or amperage goes to 0. So there you go. If this was helpful, thumb it up. Subscribe for checking new videos when they come out. Share it with some friends. And happy camper. Say, My RV Works.